welcome to Cooking with the Vagabond Epicurean, a minimalist gourmet. And today we're going to make a dish that it's a great appetizer or snack. It can be a main course, and it's a classic Mediterranean style mussels. And here's all we're going to need and how easy and quick it is to put this together. Of course, we're going to have to start with our mussels, and about 2 pounds of them. It's a bag. And I soak these for about 20 minutes before I'm getting ready to cook them, just kind of help clean them out a little bit. So we have our mussels. We're going to use a couple ounces of olive oil, unsalted butter, a couple cloves of garlic, some onion or leeks, fresh basil, kosher salt, lemon pepper to taste, and about a cup of dry sherry. Now, as usual, we need to heat our pan. And being the minimalist, this is going to be a little tight for all of these mushrooms, but I think we're going to get them in there. We want to let the pan get nice and warm first. Well, it feels like our pan's getting warm, so let's add our olive oil. And yeah, I know I don't usually measure things. You know, it's just really kind of a guideline. Our butter, our garlic. Now, we're not going to put the fresh basil in yet. We'll put our onions or our leeks in. See, we're just going to kind of lightly saute these. It doesn't have to be real brown. We just want to infuse the butter and the olive oil with the flavor. Get that melted. We can add our salt at this point. Our lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper. When our butter is melted, we're ready to add our dry sherry. There's not much left in this bottle. We'll just finish it off. Then we'll add our fresh basil. We give it a nice stir. We add our mussels, and let's see how many we can get in here, guys. Oh, we got them all in. All right. Now we give this a nice stir. Put our cover on it. And we're going to let this, once it starts to boil, I'm going to turn it down and we're going to simmer it for about 10 to 12 minutes. When the mussels open up, then we're ready to go. Well, we're back, and it's been about 14 minutes now, 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, this looks really nice. You can see all the mussels are opened. Now, another thing that you can do to this, and optional, is to add some heavy cream to it. But on the boat, I don't carry that. Ooh, that's hot. Here we are. Keep all this broth. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be a great snack. And to go along with it, slices of French bread. So that's all there was to it. And oh, the aroma. Wonderful. Well, until next time, bon appetit.